What's up, YouTube? Okay, in this video, I'm going to tell you guys which app is better to use. You don't know which app to use, either Instagram, TikTok, YouTube Shorts. What's a good app that you can use as a beginner? I'm going to be honest. You should experiment. Back, in 2020, 2021, I posted a lot of videos on TikTok, and that was my main avenue for growth. Instagram didn't have reels, YouTube did not have shorts around this time. I got to go back and look, but I know for sure these things didn't exist yet because I know reels and shorts was introduced a little later after TikTok. But I do know for sure TikTok was the avenue where a lot of people got opportunities to grow, because at the end of the day, TikTok was kind of like that new Vine. You know what I'm saying? It was new, it was popping, everybody was posting. If you posted a video and you got 1 million views, you can get up to 80,000, 90,000 followers. It was lit. I ain't gonna lie. But today it's changed. And I'm not saying that you can't do the same things that we did back in those times, but it's a lot harder. It's a lot saturated. And usually the people who was already getting a lot of views back then are the ones that's kind of winning today. Because now they have most of the audience, right? Most people are watching them. They are the popular people. And if you are not popular or you don't have that many people following you, then it's a rough road, because at the end of the day, you have to go be above and beyond to get the same amount of followers that we got in the past. Now, Instagram is one of my favorite apps. I love Instagram more than all the other apps just because Instagram gives me better leverage when it comes to sourcing or letting my followers know the other things that I got going on. Instagram is by far the best for me, at least for content purposes. YouTube, I would say, is second to me, mainly because for YouTube, like I say, I feel YouTube is more informational, or YouTube is more of like that platform that you can bring other people to. Or if you are doing good on YouTube, then you can start getting subscribers, and then you can start bringing them in other places as well to bring other things in front of them, right? YouTube is an amazing place. So I would say start on Instagram and YouTube from my experience. And then TikTok, you can do it, but I feel like TikTok is a hit or miss. It doesn't really give that much benefits for creators, unless I'm wrong. But I know for sure when you go on TikTok, you post a video, the video goes viral, you get followers, and then you tell those followers to go somewhere else. Okay. TikTok is a platform where, like I said, when it first came out, that was the platform where you had all the opportunities. You grow, you get your followers, and then you bring them somewhere else, because TikTok is all about going viral. That's what the app is about. Okay. You have the For You section, and then you have the following section, and you have what we call the shop now. So there's 3 tabs now. It used to be 2. Now it's 3. So when somebody swipe over, it's not even going to their following list. It's going to the shop. And then the following list is dead last. So TikTok doesn't prioritize people following you, right? You don't get the benefits having followers. You can have 800,000 followers and get 300 views. I'm just being honest. And you would tell yourself, what the? I got 800,000. How am I getting 300 views? That don't make any sense, because TikTok, they show a little bit of your followers, your content, and then they'll bring it over to new people. And if the new people ain't reacting the way they want them to react, it's kind of like, you know what I'm saying? So anything you wanted to present to your followers goes out the window. And then, TikTok stories is okay, but I don't know if people really look at it. I mean, they did kind of like change their system where if you post a story, it might show up on the For You page. But come on, what's the odds of that? Okay. What is the odds of that? If that story isn't getting comments and stuff like that, most likely your story isn't even going to get views. With all the followers I had on TikTok, I post a story, I might not get no more than 15 views, 20, 30 views. I'm like, that is crazy to me. Instagram is my all-time favorite because you have so many benefits on there. The only issue is Instagram don't pay you, but they give you all the tools and all the things that you can use to utilize your business. When you selling something, you letting your followers know things, right? For example, Instagram have reels, Instagram have posts. You can separate your posts, and you can separate your reels, right? You have 2 pages, you can separate those two. So on my Instagram, I have my pictures on my posts, right? If I have something I want to promote, I could put that on the post side. And if I want to create reels to continuously grow and treat it like TikTok, then I have the reel section, right? On top of that, Instagram have notes. So let's say I tell my followers, do you guys want to play Warzone? What do you guys think of this? People can react to it. People can respond to it. Okay. They even introduce you posting notes on videos your friends can see. So when they watch a video, they may see your little note on the video, right? It's like a little sticky note. Okay. You could put little sticky notes on videos and stuff like that. That's pretty much what they introduce. You have stories. So I have a lot of views on my stories. Instagram don't show it to all my followers, but if my story is doing really good and I post maybe 1 or 2 stories a day, then I can get high volume to let my followers know if I'm doing something. Hey guys, I got a Discord, you can join in. I had so many people join the Discord that I made on my gaming page just from my stories alone. I grew it to over 300 members just off of stories. On TikTok, it wouldn't have been possible because I'm on 10 views on my stories. That's crazy to me. Versus on Instagram, I can get over 1,000 views on my my Instagram stories, and I have less followers on my Instagram than my TikTok. Doesn't make sense, right? Okay. And then Instagram also have what you call Instagram broadcast. So let's say you're about to go live on Twitch. I use my Instagram broadcast as a notification to my followers to let them know, hey, look, I'm going live on Twitch, right? I can't make a post about it really, and I can't really use the reels, but Instagram broadcast is an amazing place where you can tell your followers your upcoming videos you're about to post, right? You can let them know about giveaways. So Instagram broadcast is kind of like a notification system. Your followers see it in their notification. You post something in your broadcast channel, your followers see it in their notifications. Hey, look, Jay just posted something. He sent you something. They open it up. Oh, he's doing a giveaway. Oh, he's asking about something with a poll, right? You can put polls on there. You can let them know you're working on something. You can let them know about giveaways. Anything that you need to update your followers with, you can put it in your broadcast channel. Okay. I used to do it in my Discord. Discord is also an amazing place that you can update and notify your followers about certain things, right? And bring them all together as a community. So Discord is really about a community base, but Instagram broadcast just notifies your followers about certain things. You can ask them questions, polls. If you got a business, you can let them know what they think is good, what's a good price. You can use it for anything you need. You can even drive your followers to your YouTube. I use my Instagram broadcast to let them know I posted a new video on YouTube and I get views from that. Right? When I posted my first video here, I let my followers know on my gaming page, hey, look, guys, I got a new YouTube page. Come through. Come subscribe. Help your boy out. Okay? So that's another tool that you can use. Instagram have links, right? TikTok does that too, but Instagram have links. And it's, I don't know, Instagram is just better to me. They have so many tools and resources that you guys can use. TikTok, however, I would say is really good as far as like making money. If you make videos that's a minute or longer, you can get paid, right? So there's pros and cons to both apps. But for TikTok, if you're doing really good, if you're really good at making videos and you're going viral or your videos are getting a lot of views per, you know what I'm saying? Then you're in good hands. You can even go live on TikTok. I go live on my Instagram. I don't know. I like it better. But for TikTok, I think going on live on TikTok is a little bit better because when I go on live on TikTok, I get so many more people joining in versus on my Instagram, okay? Because TikTok prioritizes lives. So that's why people who play games or people who are doing certain things go on live because you make more money on live. So it's pros and cons. As far as like getting the benefits, I would say Instagram. As far as being able to use different tools to grow certain things you're doing, YouTube is really good if you're trying to start to become more professional and you want to start making money and things like that. And TikTok is really good for helping to push you get a lot of followers if your videos do go viral. And they prioritize live so you can get paid on lives by people donating to you. So many people got rich from, playing a character on live. You know what I'm saying? You can see the Spider-Man guy. You see what he did. The Miles Morales boy. He made a lot of money off of being like an NPC, and people donated to him on live, which they probably wouldn't have done on Instagram. Okay. And that's pretty much my opinion on those 3 apps. You could use all apps, in my opinion. Use all of them because they all give you benefits. I still use my TikTok here and there. Some of my videos go viral on TikTok. I might go live on TikTok sometimes if I'm playing the game and promote my Twitch, right? So there's benefits. On Instagram, I can also drop my Twitch link in the bio, in my broadcast channel to let my followers know I'm going live. I can use stories to let them know I'm going live on my Instagram, right? So know what benefits you and what doesn't. Separate those. All right. Instagram is good for stories. Instagram is good for using the notes. Instagram is good for um sending your followers wherever you need to go, like I said, through the broadcast channel. TikTok is good for making money on lives. TikTok is good for making your videos go viral. All right. That's just my opinion. And TikTok is good to monetize. If you make videos that's 1 minute or longer, they pay you for it. TikTok also have TikTok Shop where they send you free stuff, right? So it's benefits everywhere. YouTube, I'm still getting the hang of it, so I don't know that many benefits to YouTube. If you guys know the benefits of YouTube, go ahead and drop a comment and let me know the benefits of YouTube, and what tools you can use on YouTube. Because I know that I think you can post pictures on YouTube now, and your followers can like it or something like that, I believe, right? Because I see some people I'm subscribed to, they'll post a picture letting me know they posted a new video, and people can like it and stuff like that. So if this video was valuable to you, go ahead and make sure you like this video to help me in the YouTube algorithm. Make sure you subscribe. Remember, every time you subscribe, it helps me to keep going, guys. It's all about you guys. All right. And make sure, if you want to donate to my channel, every donation is to help me have better equipment for you guys. You know, I really want to buy a camera, but at the moment, cameras are quite expensive. So if you guys want to help me buy a camera, you know, you want to donate to me, my Cash App will be in the description. Thank you guys for listening. Social Media Savvy. I'll see y'all in my next video. Peace.